To my dearest wife, you know how important for me to always choose the best one. And the best choice I could ever have is to choose you. You know where we started, and you were always there by my side since then. You knew all my struggles, but you did not give up. Thank you, Han, for everything. I'm so proud of you.
Aaminin ko pa o baka bigla lang mawala kung ano mang pumapagitan sa ating dalawa. Naisip mo ba sa mga oras na tayo'y magkasama kung ano tayo sa buhay ng isa't isa?
Jovelyn, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Ken June, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Araw-gabi tanging ikaw ang nasa isip, kahit laman ng panaginip ay ikaw ang aking hiling. Tumanda ng ikaw lang ang kapiling, habang buhay ay pipiliin ko ikaw. Kahit bang aasa na tayo sa huli.
Today, I say I do, but to me that means I will. I will take your hand and stand by your side in the good times and the bad times. I dedicate myself to your happiness and success. I will love you forever.
Ikaw lang at ikaw ang sinisigaw, ang puso kong di mapakali. Ikaw lang at ikaw ang sinisigaw, pag-ibig ko'y sana mapansin. Ikaw lang at ikaw ang sinisigaw, ang puso kong di mapakali. Ikaw lang at ikaw ang sinisigaw, pag-ibig ko'y sana mapansin. Ikot-ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at
Ken, as we stand here today, ready to embark on this journey of marriage, I can't help but think of all the adventures we've already shared together. From destination weddings we've attended to spontaneous trips we've taken. We've always been each other's favorite travel companion.
Know that your marriage is not only bound by human love, but also the love of the divine, the love of God. Seek His guidance and strength as you navigate the joys and the challenges of the married life.
We've faced challenges, overcome obstacles, and weathered storms together. And yet, through it all, we've held on tight to each other, trusting that we'll make it through any ride as long as we're together. So today, as I pledge my love and commitment to you, I promise to continue to be your partner in travel and in life. I promise to explore new destinations with you, to embrace turbulence that comes our way, and to hold on tight through every ride. I promise to be your constant companion, your supporter, your confidant, and your biggest fan. I love you so, so much.
I vow to be the 8th BTS member. B. Be there with you whenever you need me during concerts and BTS shows. T. Talk with you about their latest happenings and updates every night. S. I vow to sing and dance your BTS songs and music. Yours truly, Ken John.